Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about the best alternative to 8Fig for e-commerce sellers. As an e-commerce seller, I know the drill. You need capital to scale, to buy more inventory, increase your ad spend, and manage those unavoidable supply chain delays. While 8Fig is a solid option with its flexible, revenue-based financing and supply chain focus, it's smart to know your alternatives. I've been through this process, and knowing what else is out there can save you significant time and money. For me, the best alternatives fall into a few key categories, and all depends on what your business needs right now. Revenue-based financing competitors. If you like 8Fig's core model, financing based on your future sales without giving up equity, you have strong competitors. My top recommendations here are Wayflyer and Clearco. Wayflyer is great because they also offer valuable analytics and insights alongside their funding. It's more of a growth partner that helps you figure out where to spend that money most effectively. They're strong if you need more than just capital. Clearco, formerly Clearbank, is another big player, and they are known for their speed and being non-dilutive. They look at your revenue and ad performance to make fast decisions. They were a lifesaver when I needed quick capital for a sudden opportunity. Both of these companies offer flexible repayment structures, taking a percentage of your sales, which is crucial for managing fluctuating e-commerce revenue. Platform-specific funding. If you're selling primarily on one platform, look there first. If you're on Shopify, Shopify Capital is incredibly straightforward. The application is easy. You see what you're eligible for quickly, and the repayments are tied directly to your Shopify sales. The convenience is unmatched. For Amazon sellers, a company like Payability can be a fantastic alternative. They specialize in giving you daily access to your Amazon sales revenue instead of waiting for Amazon's longer payment cycles. This is a game changer for daily cash flow. These platform-specific options often have the easiest application processes because they already have access to your core performance data. Key takeaway for your decision. Here's the thing I learned. The best alternative isn't just about the lowest fee. It's about the alignment with your current business stage and cash flow. If you need a growth partner with data, look at Wayflyer. If you need fast, non-dilutive capital for inventory/ads, look at Clearco. If you prioritize ultimate simplicity and sell on Shopify, go with Shopify Capital. If your biggest problem is waiting for platform payouts, check out Payability. Ultimately, all these services exist because traditional bank loans don't understand the rapid, cyclical nature of e-commerce. Always compare the all-in cost of capital, the fees, not just a simple interest rate, and make sure the repayment terms are flexible enough to handle a slow month. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.